Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your study abroad travel plans with Expedia. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Expedia website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Select flights from the home page to begin planning your travel. Enter your departure city and destination in the designated fields. Choose your travel dates based on your study abroad schedule. Click Search to view available flights. Use the filters on the left-hand side to refine your search. You can sort by price, duration, or the number of stops. Once you find a flight that fits your needs, click on it for more details. Review the flight times and layover information carefully. When satisfied, click Select to proceed to the booking page. Next, fill in your personal information in the required fields. Add any additional options, such as seat selection or extra baggage. Review the payment details, ensuring everything is correct. Proceed to enter your payment information and confirm your booking. Now, let's focus on accommodations for your stay. Return to the Expedia homepage and select the hotels option. Enter your destination and check-in and check-out dates. Click Search to see a list of available hotels. Use filters to narrow down your choices by price or amenities. Read through hotel descriptions and guest reviews carefully. Once you find a suitable hotel, click on it for more details. Review the policies and conditions before proceeding. Click Reserve and fill in your personal information. Add any special requests or preferences if needed. Review the total cost and confirm your booking. Now, let's explore activities to enhance your travel experience. On the Expedia homepage, select the Things to Do option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.